Selamat pagi murid-murid, saya Teacher Suba. So hari ini kita akan belajar bahasa Melayu. Murid-murid, hari ini hari apa? Ya betul, hari ini hari Khamis. Tarikh hari ini adalah ya betul, 30 hari bulan September 2021. So now let's go to our buku tulisan. Okay, so here teacher want to remind you some correction. So can you help teacher to correct the correction? Okay, so now let's take your buku tulisan and then open page number 22. Yes, so they have a mistake, isn't it? So now let's teacher remind you to write down the word here. Berwarna jingga, because the sentence is incomplete. Okay, so please help teacher to add on. Take your pencil and write it these two words for teacher. Can you? Thank you so much children to help teacher. Okay. Now, let's start our today's revision. So, today is Khamis. Lepas tu, tarikh 30 hari bulan September 2021. And then, don't forget to write ejaan. So, today's ejaan is very easy. So, nombor 1. Bumi. Bu, me. Bumi. So, bumi is earth. Very good. Next. Matahari. Ma, T-A-Ta, mata, H-A-Ha, mata, ha, R-I-R-I, matahari. So, matahari is a sun. Nombor 3. Bulan. Bu, L-A-N, lan. Bulan. So, bulan is moon. Okay, and number 4. Matahari berwarna jingga. Matahari berwarna jingga. Okay, so here we done today's revision. Okay, children, are you ready to do revision for next week ejaan? So let's do revision our minggu depan ejaan. Okay, minggu depan as usual Khamis, and then the date will be 7th of October 2021. Okay, so now let's start our next week ejaan revision. Okay, nombor 1. Cerah. C-E, cer, R-A-H, rah. Cerah. Cerah is sunny day. So, cerah is sunny day. Nombor 2. Hujan. H-U, hu. J-A-N, jan. Hujan. Hujan is rainy day. Okay. Nombor 3. Nombor 3. Mendung. Mendung. M-E-N, men. D-U-N-G, dung. Mendung. Okay, mendung is cloudy day. Okay, mendung is what? Cloudy day. Okay, now let's go to nombor 4. Hari ini mendung. H-A-H-R-I-R-I. Hari. I-E-N-I-Ni. ini. Hari ini mendung. So today is cloudy day. Okay, very good children. So those are the words we going to do ejaan for our next week. Okay. Now teacher wanna let you to do correction in your buku tulisan page number 24. Okay, can you get ready your buku tulisan? After that, please take your pencil and do correction with teacher. Can you do correction with teacher Subha? Thank you, children. So here, what teacher let you to do is, okay, please cut down the berangin word, okay, with your ruler. So after cut down, please write down this word above, mendung. So teacher mistakenly write the wrong word. Okay, so sorry children, and help teacher to correct it my mistake. I'm so sorry and thank you for helping teacher. Okay, so please write down the word. After that, write the correct answer. Okay, now let's get ready our book, our textbook, and open page number 16. Yes, so today we going to unit 4, the new unit. So unit 4, perayaan. Perayaan. So perayaan is festival. Okay, so today we going to learn about the festival. Okay, first of all, do not forget to write the day and date. Okay, so perayaan. Today perayaan, what we going to learn? Today's perayaan is what? So look at the people. What people they are? Is it Indian, Chinese, or Malay? Yeah, some children say Malay. Very good. So these are the people we call Malay people. Okay, Malay people. So Malay people celebrate which festival? Deepavali, Chinese New Year, or Hari Raya? Which one? Yes. So Malay people will celebrate Hari Raya. Yeah, so they all celebrate very big festival. So you all celebrate Chinese New Year, right? Yeah. So do you like to celebrate Chinese New Year or not? Yeah. So same goes to Malay people. So Malay people also celebrate Hari Raya very happy. You see, look at their face. All of them are very happy. They all eating. Okay, then what they all doing? Yeah, you see, they all get the blessing from the grandmother and grandfather, and then the grandfather give what? Yes, then grandfather giving the money, ampao. Very good. Okay, and then you look at, so the mommy, papa, and also the meme, everybody are enjoying the food. Okay, so now we going to learn about the Hari Raya, Malay people's festival, which is Hari Raya. Okay, now let's point the word. Okay, hari ini Hari Raya. Hari ini Hari Raya. Hadi pakai baju raya. Hadi pakai baju raya. Baju raya Hadi warna merah. One more time. Baju raya Hadi warna merah. Hadi sungguh bergaya. Hadi sungguh bergaya. Next one. Hari Raya sungguh meriah. Hari Raya sungguh meriah. Hadi makan lemang dan ketupat. Hadi makan lemang dan ketupat. Hadi dapat duit raya. Hadi dapat duit raya. Hadi sangat gembira. Hadi sangat gembira. Very good, children. Okay, now children, let's get ready your pencil and also ruler. Okay, so here, please draw line to Hari Raya. So Hari Raya is the one just now teacher told you that the Malays festival, what we call Hari Raya. Okay, very good. And then the second word, pakai. So pakai. So let's draw line to pakai. Okay, so pakai is what? Wear. So the Hadi pakai baju raya. That means the Hadi wear the festival, the new cloth. Okay, so that is we call wear. Pakai is what? Wear. Okay, the next word, baju raya Hadi warna merah. So warna merah is, okay, draw line, warna merah. Okay, so warna merah is red color. Who is the red color wearing the warna merah baju? Who is wearing warna merah baju? One. Can you point now? One with the teacher. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Yes. So he is the name we call Hadi. So this boy is the one we talking about. Hadi. Okay. The one who wearing the baju merah. Okay. So he's the one Hadi. Yeah, he's the one Hadi. Okay, next word. So let's draw line bergaya. Okay, bergaya is they are when you wearing the Chinese New Year new clothes and then your hair all mommy papa help you to set your hair very handsome one and the mommy set the girls hair very neatly and very pretty. So that is we call bergaya. That means we are very stylish. We are wearing nice clothes and then we look very pretty handsome. That is we call bergaya. Okay, next one. Hari Raya sungguh meriah. So meriah, let's draw line to meriah. So meriah is, you look at the picture, all the people are good to get the blessing from the grandmother and then take the ang pao. Okay, and then they all enjoying their foods, the Hari Raya foods. So they all enjoying. Okay, so the Hari Raya is full of happiness. They all happy, they all enjoy, they go there, go here, nobody can stop them. That is Maria enjoying their Hari Raya. Okay, so now let's go to the next word. Okay, next word. Hadi makan. So makan. Let's draw makan. Okay, done. Okay, makan everybody now. Makan roti canai. Makan roti. So what is that? Makan is what? Yes, makan is eating. You look at the people. The mommy, papa and also the meme. Okay, they all eating the kueh. They all eating the biscuits and then the food. Okay. Now, let's draw a line to the important word lemang and ketupat. Lemang, ketupat. Okay, lemang, which one? Okay, look at the table. Look at on the table. Which we call lemang. Can guess? Which one is lemang? Okay, so lemang this is the one we call lemang, the Malay people's traditional food. Okay, when Hari Raya comes, the Malay people always cook the lemang, and it is very tasty. I mean, the very tasty, very delicious. It's delicious. Okay, yummy. Now, is ketupat. Ketupat is which one? Which one is the ketupat? It's a food. This one or this one? Number one or number two? Yes, ketupat is this one. This is we call ketupat. And then you see they all hanging the ketupat. This is the decoration. Okay, this one is the decoration. Okay, this is we can eat one. Okay, now let's go to the next word. Duit Raya. Let's draw line. Duit Raya. So who is giving the Duit Raya? Duit Raya is wang. Money, money. So duit is money. Who is giving the Duit Raya here? So can you point now? 1, 2, 3. Yes, that grandfather giving the Duit Raya. This is we call Duit Raya. Okay, next, Hadi sangat gembira. The last word is gembira. Let's draw line gembira. So gembira is what? Happy. You look at all of them, all of their face. They all look very happy. When you celebrate, okay, when you celebrate Chinese New Year, do you feel very sad or happy? Happy. So gembira. So gembira is happy. So let's teacher draw the happy face here. Gembira is happy. Very good, children. Now, let's go to today's buku activity. Okay, children, please open page number 37. After that, you may revise your textbook page number 16 to complete this activity. So, children, please do not forget to write down the day and date. Okay, so here teacher have a correction to do with the instruction. Okay, can you go to the second sentence? Okay, over here, gunting dan tampal, because your book having a problem, so you cannot cut and paste. So teacher change the instruction. Cut down gunting dan tampal. This word, okay, after you cut and then you write lukiskan. Okay, write down this word lukiskan. Okay, so now let's read the instruction together. Susun perkataan dan tulis ayat yang betul. Kemudian, lukiskan gambar yang betul berdasarkan dengan ayat. Okay, so here teacher changed the instruction, isn't it? So, first of all, you arrange the sentence. Okay, arrange the word. After that, you look at below. Below have the pictures. So, you may draw the pictures according with the sentences. Okay, so let's teacher show you one example. Okay, number one. So, which the word come number one? So, always remember the big letter will come number one. So, which letter? Hari. So, write down Hari is number one. Hari, Hari Raya ini or hari ini. Yes, hari ini. Very good, Hari Raya. Yes. So, first you arrange already, right? Then you write down on the line. So, first is Hari. Write the Hari. Number 2 is ini. Write down. And then number 3 is Hari. The last word is Raya. Full stop. So here, after you write down, look at the picture. So which picture is similar? Okay, is it same action with the Hari ini Hari Raya? Which picture is correct with this sentence? Number 1, number 2 or number 3? Yes, so number 3 is they celebrate Hari Raya. So draw, okay, try to draw the picture, okay. Okay, so you try to draw like, okay, let's try to draw according with the sentence. Okay, children, you can do it. Okay, no worries, just try to draw. Okay, so the picture can help you, the sample of the picture help you to draw. Okay, good luck, children. Now let's go to today's Kerja Rumah. Okay, so today Kerja Rumah very easy. Okay, let's write the day and date. After that, isikan tempat kosong. Okay, here you should understand the paragraph. After that, you should complete the sentences with the word is missing. Okay, so you see the word was missing, so you should find the word from the paragraph. After that you should write on the line. Okay, that's it, children, very easy, the answer already inside the paragraph. Okay, so shall we read the paragraph together? Let's go. Hari ini hari raya. Hadi pakai baju raya. Baju raya Hadi warna merah. Hadi sungguh berdaya. Hari raya sungguh meriah. Hadi makan lemang dan ketupat. Hadi dapat duit raya. Hadi sangat gembira. Okay, so let's teacher show you one example. Okay, so now let's see number 1. Hadi pakai. Okay, so here you have a key point. So let's find these two words inside the paragraph. Okay, so let's find these two words. Hadi pakai. Okay, so let's teacher show you an example. So let's find Hadi and pakai inside the paragraph. Okay, so let's find the words. Okay, teacher find already. Hadi pakai, same or not? Here also Hadi pakai. Okay, so what is the next word is missing here? Hadi pakai. Yes, so look at here. So baju raya is the word was missing. So you should write the baju raya on the line. Okay, so like this you should find the answer. So first of all, you find the in front word inside the paragraph. After that, after you find the word, you can get the next word is what? Okay, inside the paragraph. Okay, I have all the answer already inside the paragraph. Okay, you should find carefully. Okay, so let's number 2, number 3, number 4, let's do by yourself. Okay, children, good luck. Now let's go to today's Linus. Okay, so get ready your Linus book, children. Okay, and then open page number 47. So here the Linus very easy, children. So here you should understand two words only, then you may complete this worksheet. Okay, so you should understand these two words. Okay, look at the word, teacher, draw line. Boleh. So say together, boleh. Tidak boleh. The next word is tidak boleh. Okay, so let's learn these two words only. Very easy. Okay, boleh, tidak boleh. Okay, boleh is can. Okay, boleh is what? Can. Teacher, may I go to toilet please? Then if teacher say you can go means what teacher can say? Boleh. So boleh is what? Can. Teacher Suba, can I get the candy? Oh, you cannot eat too much sweet. So what Teacher Suba will say? Tidak boleh. So you cannot take. So cannot is tidak boleh. Okay. Tidak boleh is cannot. Okay. Ten cannot. Okay. So let's teacher draw for you to understand. So tidak boleh is ten cannot. Boleh is yes, you can. Okay, can. Okay, now what they ask you to do is let's read the question. Okay, let's read the question. After that, what the person will reply to your question. Is it boleh or tidak boleh? Okay, so let's read all the questions together. Okay, so let's point number 1. Kakak, bolehkah kita ke perpustakaan hari ini? Okay, what the boy is asking? Sister, can we go to library today? So what the Kaka will answer. You should look at the weather. Okay, what weather is that? It's a mendung, cloudy. So is it cloudy day? You can go to the perpustakaan library. You can go or cannot? Can. So boleh or tidak boleh? Boleh. Very good. Then you should write boleh. Okay, nombor 2. Ibu, bolehkah saya membasuh pakaian hari ini? Okay, so what she is asking, Mother, can I wash my clothes today? Okay, so she want to wash her clothes. So the girl wanna ask to the mommy, Mommy, can I wash my clothes today? So look at the weather. What weather is that? Sunny day is a cerah. So if we wash the clothes, is it the sunny day can help the clothes to dry or not? Yes. So boleh or tidak boleh? Boleh. Very good. Now next one. Ayah, bolehkah kita ke pantai hari ini? So the girl asking to the daddy, Papa, shall we go to beach today? So look at the weather. It's a what weather is that? Yes, windy day. So windy day is berangin. So is it windy day you can go to beach or not? Can or cannot? Can. Yes, it's nothing wrong. You can go to the beach when it's what's that? The weather is windy. Okay, so boleh or tidak boleh? Boleh. Very good. Now let's go to number 4. Abang, bolehkah kita bermain layang-layang hari ini? So the younger brother asking to the brother, so sorry. Let's teacher speak in English. Okay. Brother, shall we play the kite today? Oh, they want to play with the kite. Okay, look at the weather. What weather is that? Hujan. It's rainy day. Can you play the kite when the rainy day time? Yes, cannot. So boleh or tidak boleh? Tidak boleh. So you cannot play the kite when it's rainy day. Okay, you cannot play. So now teacher give you an example. So what is the answer for number 1? So look at the weather is a mendung. Okay, mendung is cloudy day. But the boy want to go to the library. Is it boleh or tidak boleh? Boleh. So boleh is the correct answer. So number 2, number 3, number 4. You may do by yourself. It's very easy. Okay, children, now teacher going to remind you the today's task that you going to finish by today. Okay? So number 1, your textbook page number 16. Please read, okay? Before after the teacher's video. Now next is your activity book page number 37, and then your Linus book page number 47. After that your last one, your homework page number 37. Okay, so today's homework very easy for you to complete. Okay, children, good luck. That's all, children. We finished today's lesson. Thank you. Please complete your homework neatly, and as usual drink more water and eat more healthy food. After that, the important, stay home and stay safe. Okay, bye bye, children. See, teacher Subha will see you soon. Okay, bye bye.